We're PureRecharge, I'm Joe and this is Dara. We are the owners of the brand. We also hand pack the pouches and we do all the shows. We've decided that veganism doesn't necessarily have to be boring, and we want to try and make it accessible to people. And for us, our mixes being vegan means that they're accessible to a wider market. So even if you're not a vegan, you can still have the product. But if you are vegan, then it keeps it open to you. The majority of the ingredients, they're just whole food ingredients. And the idea is that you can take the whole pouch, take it home and blend it with almond milk and a banana and a bit of ice. Convenience is where we're at. I mean, essentially what we're trying to provide is a quick option for people in the mornings. Something that you don't really have to think about. You could do with your eyes half open, and it just gets you out the door quickly with minimal ingredients.
So where can we find this product?
Usually through our own website, purerecharge.com. We are a lot on social media, on Instagram and Facebook, so people can find us through there. Each pouch does one serving, and it makes about 400 to 500 ml. But they are customizable, so you can make them bigger if you want to add things like coconut oil, hemp protein, all that sort of thing. So you can make them as big or as small as you like. So do follow us on social media, because we like to give out tips and ideas of different foods, ways you can make our smoothie, and also some other tips, usually smoothie related.